So we have the 12 volt adapter, USB adapter. I got this from Everbuying, I believe. It works. The reason I'm not using it now is because I ended up buying one with dual USB. Not because I needed them both, but I prefer to have them both, considering the things that I now charge in my car while I drive. One of the things that happened, though, is when I first bought this came right off. So I put it back on for the purpose of the video, because this is how it came. The LED light. I'm sure there was something here that showed that was supposed to hold this face plate on, but it came off almost immediately. So, but even after the faceplate came off, it still worked. So let's see what's inside here. I didn't see any screws, so I'm assuming it just kind of holds itself together. Alright, so the spring for the contact there. And it's just the one piece. Didn't expect much more than this. Maybe I'll do a up-close video with the macro lens on this. If I do, I'll try to remember to put a link to it in the description once that's done. So, well, I guess that's it. Not very exciting, but I do have to say it did work for the time that I did have it, up until yesterday when I took it out.